Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating your PlayStation Profile About Me page on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. Select Account, then select Profile. Scroll down and select About. Here you can edit your About section. Once you are done, click OK. Your About page has now been updated on PlayStation 5. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.